Are you thinking about making a move to Port St Lucie, Florida? Imagine living in a brand new home without the restrictions of an HOA. More freedom, more flexibility, and more space you've been dreaming of. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local real estate resource here on the Treasure Coast, and on this channel, I take you inside the newest communities, model homes, and hidden gems around Port St Lucie so you can find the perfect place to call home. If you're relocating here, you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new construction home tours. And when you're ready to make your move, all my contact info is right here. I'd love to help make Port St Lucie your new home. So I am incredibly excited to show you this model home today because it's actually the same home that my wife and I will be building for ourselves. We drove to a different part of the state just to see this model and to record a video of how it looks furnished and with all of the upgrades, showing you what you can build here in Port St Lucie. It is the largest single-story new construction home you can readily build with no HOA at nearly 3,300 square feet under air, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. This model comes included with a 40-foot long lanai, a huge kitchen island that overlooks the back of the home. There's a flex room off from the foyer that can be used as either a formal dining room or a media room. The guest bedrooms are oversized with their own walk-in closets, and the bathroom in the back of the home can get a cabana door leading onto the lanai. The master suite has the option for a sitting room, which makes it another 10 feet longer like you'll see here, and there's 2 walk-in closets ahead of the bathroom, a freestanding tub and walk-in shower with separate vanities on either side. This is also one of the very few non-HOA new construction homes that you can build and design from scratch where you don't have to buy your own lot first. The builder acquires their own and sells the house and the lot together, which makes the process of building a lot easier, especially if you're a first-time home buyer, and saves you money at the same time. Thinking about making a move to Port St Lucie, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or even to get more home for your money if you're moving up from Miami or Broward, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I am posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on today's home tour here in Port St Lucie. If you're looking for a brand new home with no HOA, you've seen how many amazing options are out there. If you're ready to take the next step, give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. I'd love to guide you through the process of finding your perfect home here on the Treasure Coast. And don't forget, I post new construction tours and local updates every single week. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.